As the saying goes, the addition of one is always a possibility closer to yielding good results. This becomes clearly evident when I tell you that you can use the combination of different websites to earn a large amount of fortune. Picture yourself waking up every morning to the vibration of your phone, notifying you that you have just received a total of $300 for the past 24 hours for simply customizing messages on chalkboard images. Fancy, right? If this is what you're looking for, then sit back and relax as we share the secret tip that only a few people know. Welcome back to the channel that teaches you how to earn money online in the most convenient way possible. This is Money Empire. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. Our videos would help you earn money in the most convenient way possible, so make sure you stay tuned. Today, we will be showing you how to earn money by simply selling chalkboard images through the help of these websites. Although you won't be a one-day millionaire through these methods, rest assured you would be able to earn more than enough to pay your bills. Take note, you won't need a real chalkboard and a chalk for this one. All you need is your smartphone, tablet, PC, or whatever you have, and you will be good to go. Who knows? You might gain more than what you originally anticipated. Perhaps you would end up dancing to the beats of "Drop some money, drop in all my money." Now, let us go straight into the video. Chalkboard images are in demand nowadays. People use them for their projects, proposals, and even business ads. If you search on Google, you would see customers buying similar products for at least $15. Imagine getting $15 for just an image of 2 to 3 words written on chalkboard. If you search further, you could see the prices may range at $12 to even $200. They are sold in different sizes, contents, and designs. The catch is, you don't need any technical skills and knowledge for this one. It is all for free. You don't have to spend hours editing a photo because this simple technique would help you create exactly like those professionally made chalkboard images. Very easy to use, and you get $5 almost every 4 seconds. What else could you ask for? The next website will be hetamil.com. This website has a simple and direct interface. Upon visiting the website, you will see 3 choices for your customized message. The first one is called the Einstein chalkboard. When you click on it, it will direct you to a picture of Einstein writing on a chalkboard. Above the image is where you will write your message or words that you want to be written on the chalkboard. So, it is as if Einstein is writing what you wrote. Let me give you an example. I would type in this box, hit like and subscribe to Money Empire. And you would have to click change image, and behold, Einstein has just requested everyone to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So, you heard the smart and sophisticated man. Like and subscribe now, guys. Now, to export this image, you just have to right-click on your mouse and click Save Image As. There we have it. You may also choose to use Uncle Sam or Quaker to write your short message to make it look like it was created for a vintage poster. The choice is all yours. The next website that will be introduced is pixies.com. As you can see, the website's homepage contains a lot of sample photos and frames where you could edit your pictures. The top portion of the website contains the photo editor, photo montage, and 3D text generator, where you will see various animated fonts. Below it are the trends to inform the users what are frequently used. It also has a section of the newly generated frames and filters. You can also add them to your favorites and create your own frame. But let us go back to generating the chalkboard images. At the rightmost part of the website contains the search box, and all you have to do is search painting chalk. Upon clicking on the result, you can see the title Painting plus Text written with a chalk stick. At the side is where you enter the text that you want. Let's say, for example, hello. You just have to type it in and click go. And there you have the result. Listen carefully. Do not click on this download button because it contains the watermark and you probably don't want that. To export the image without watermark, click on the one that says Download without Pix's logo. You may also opt to share it with your friends on Facebook. Here at the bottom, you have the choice to use this for your photo montage, or go to Photo Editor to make further adjustments. You may change the direction, resize, add effects, frames, refocus, or even adjust the brightness. You can also choose to change the picture and proceed with editing. Pretty awesome, huh? Liking this video so far? Leave a comment down below. We would love to hear how helpful this has been for you. Your suggestions and recommendations would also be greatly appreciated. Now to open the portals of opportunities of increasing your income. We will be teaching you how you may use these photos to earn money online. You just have to go to fiverr.com. The website gives you an idea of the popular arts and services that are frequently bought from their website. Upon clicking on Explore, you may see various projects made by the designers, guides to your business, advices from professionals, and you can even create a logo of your own. About every 4 seconds, people are buying from this website for different arts and services. Imagine how much you can earn from uploading your works and selling those chalkboard images that you have made in just less than a second. The best thing about this is, it's free. No investments and no capital needed. To be able to sell, you just have to click this join button over here and provide your email address. Next, you have to input your username and choose a password. Now, you just have to click Become a Seller, create your profile, and publish your products to be sold. Fiverr.com has been used by many artists and designers for years. And when you search for products such as write your text on chalkboard, you can see results that people indeed buy from this website for such services, ranging from $5 to even $25. You can sell them again and again and again to earn much money. Fiverr also offers a lot more services such as graphic designs, dance lessons, cooking lessons, writing and translation, video editing, voiceovers, and many more. Since you have reached this point of the video, here are more websites to generate chalkboard messages. First, you may go to pixtags.com, and there you will see different styles of chalkboard texts that will lead you to various websites like posteregan.com and youtubepizza.com. Now, what do you think of generating customized messages within seconds and waking up to a notification that your product was bought? Sweet! And there you have it. That is it for today's video. We hope this has been a helpful tip for everyone out there looking for convenient and hassle-free ways to earn money. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you'll be updated every time we upload. This will definitely not be the last time we help you earn money in the easiest way possible. So make sure to turn on that notification bell so you can stay tuned on our next video. Don't forget to leave a like and comment down below to inform us how helpful this video is to you. See you in the next one!